On October 3rd, he asked me what day it was.
It's October 3rd.
So, today is October 3rd, and if you are a Mean Girls fan, you know exactly what that means. And in Mean Girls fashion, I am going to dress up as one of the characters from the movie. I decided to go with the Halloween scene, and it's basically whenever Katie comes in like this to the Halloween party. I feel like I can't get away with the cute costumes that they go for in this movie. Yeah, maybe in my early days. But anyways, so this part always bothered me about the movie because the popcorn fills back up. Look, see, look, popcorn is full again. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to use this Naked Skin green cover concealer type stuff. It's not really concealer, but either way, it really does whiten out underneath your eye, almost to the point where you can have a green cast if you use too much of it, which is perfect because we want to be very pale by the end of this tutorial. So then use your foundation. Try to use the lightest foundation you have. I don't know if you have a winter or summer foundation. A lot of girls do. I do, so I used my winter foundation, at least the lightest shade I had, to because obviously we're going to want to go on the lighter side. We're dead. Alright, so now I'm using my concealer. It is a very light concealer, Light 2 Vanilla by NARS. This is one of my favorite concealers, and you would know this if you follow me and watch my tutorials. And I'm basically just going over like I normally would when I contour. Now I'm not going to contour with a contour kit. I will be contouring, but it will be with my zombie kit that I was talking about in yesterday's video if you watched it. If you didn't, basically I bought a zombie kit at Walmart. Now this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I'm going to use these two colors next to each other, Suede, which is the lighter grayish brown color, and then I'm going to use black, which I don't know what name of it is, but I'm going to go in the actual like crease of my eye and bring in that black there. And again, it doesn't really matter if we get messy with it and it gets under your eyes and stuff, because you want to give off that impression that you're dead. And then I'm going to go in with some brown eyeshadow over the top and a little bit of black eyeliner. Now she doesn't even have this much eye makeup on in the tutorial, but I wanted to put on a little bit more eye makeup than normal. Now I'm contouring with this is white eyeshadow or whatever it is. It's an eyeshadow stick, but I'm using it as a contour cream. And then I'm using the gray from my zombie kit to basically contour the darker areas of my face, because it's still giving me that dead effect. And then just putting a little bit of mascara. Don't want to wear eyelashes because again we want to look more dead. And then I spruced up my eyebrows just a little bit. Again, she didn't do too much, and she had this really ugly shade of red lipstick on. This is Studded by Kat Von D. It is the ugliest shade of lipstick I've ever seen in my life. And then a little drop of blood to the side. I didn't understand this because she's not a vampire, she's an ex-wife, so why the drop of blood to the side? I feel like the people when they made this costume, they just weren't really understanding what to put together. Like, what's up with the teeth? Like, how is this somebody's ex-wife? I don't understand. She looks like a hillbilly vampire, to be honest with you, and I look exactly like her, so we're hillbilly vampires together. Now I want this costume to make a little bit more sense. I feel like this costume makes absolutely no sense, especially since I'm not wearing the like bridal attire that she wore in the Mean Girls outfit. I'm going to make it appear as if I cut my throat, so I'm going to go with the thinner latex slit throat thing, put on a little bit of liquid latex to stick it on. You can also use cosmetic glue. Then you're going to want to cover that up with your foundation. I probably should have done this before I let the blood drip. Then I put a little bit of purple, and then I covered that up with black, and now I am covering it up with a bunch of scab blood, because again, I'm already dead. I've come back to life, so the blood there is already going to be kind of dried. And then I am adding a little bit liquid blood to kind of give the effect that it's dripping down. and I just cut my throat. I might give a tutorial later on showing you how to actually give the effect of your throat being cut. Like, you can actually go to a party and like cut your throat in front of a bunch of people and bleed out, and not like literally, but I will show you guys in a future video how to do that. Thank you for watching this quick Halloween tutorial. This is a costume you could put together very quickly. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but people are going to know who you're dressed up as if they've seen Mean Girls before. It's October 3rd. Not only that, but it's Wednesday, so wear pink today and go out and get Starbucks and do any other thing that a mean girl would do today, except for bullying people, because that's not right. Don't do that. And I'm going to watch the movie today in true Mean Girls fashion. So hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching.